What's good? And in today's video, I'm going to speed run through and show you how someone just using a phone can make their first $1,000 online inside 14 days. Whoa. I know, sounds like bullshit because every make money online thing you see is usually drop shipping, crypto, starting an agency, or some other random online side hustle selling the absolute dream. And I want to tell you that isn't that, and I'll tell you why soon. Let me promise you this isn't that. This is a skill that successful businesses every single day pay regular people to do. And guys inside my community have done this time and time again, starting from zero inside their first 14 days. First, I want you to meet Michael, a Sparky from Western Australia who made $3,500 inside his first 8 days, as well as my boy Joel, landed his first role inside 2 weeks and in just 2 days alone put in $1,500 just from sending DMs. Now, quick disclaimer, I'm not by any means guaranteeing that you'll see the same results in 14 days. But more importantly, I want to show you guys that this is possible inside 14 days. You can do this. If you're hungry, you're serious, you take action. This could be a version of reality you live out in the next 14 days. Right, now this seems like a dream. It's too good to be true. There's no way this is possible, right? Well, I'm going to show you just how possible this is, how it actually works, and exactly how we get results like this every day. So stick along with me for the ride and let's get into it. Now, quick backstory on me. 2 years ago, I was a carpenter in Melbourne working 50 plus hours a week, up early, home late, the same story. And I kept seeing people my age traveling the world, working remotely, and it pissed me off, yes, but I also knew deep down that it was possible. I just needed to give something a crack and find something that could get me there. But no one online fully explains what they do. A lot of stuff gets gatekept. A lot of people just flex and brag about their lifestyle. But after some more research and finding the right people, it turns out people weren't starting these crazy businesses that seem so extravagant. They just learned a skill that every business needs online. The reality is, with a lot of the make money online stuff you see, just making money online in general, if you go at it alone or you try to start your own thing, like a lot of people think that they need to do, they need some crazy business idea. The truth is, you're going to be competing against beasts. You start a new fitness offer, there's already 100 other guys already doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, getting real results every day, with years and years of experience, and more than likely, you will fail, like most people do when they're first starting out, trying to compete against people like this. And that's where the whole space gets this stigma of it's too good to be true, or that it's all a scam. So why waste time trying to compete with these guys when you could just partner up and work with them and take some of the profits that they make? Businesses already have products, they have programs, they have services running. They're already marketing those products every single day through social media. Hundreds of thousands of followers, millions of views. They already have customers interested in their business. Now, the problem that most businesses, these successful guys you see, have is that they can't keep up with the amount of people interested. They don't have time to have conversations with every single person. There's messages coming in thick and fast every day. People asking questions, people wanting guidance to get started. And these people are interested, but they're not booked into the sales team, which is where the money's made. And that's where the opportunity comes for you. How this is possible for you in the next 14 days for complete beginners is with something called appointment setting in the remote sales space. As I said, successful businesses every day get hundreds of people interested in their products or services that are a high ticket or a high price. Fitness coaching upwards of $2,000, real estate courses, weight loss programs, day trading mentorships. People want to make change. People are seeking that change, and someone needs to respond to all the messages that the business is bringing in from the content that they're posting. That's where you will come in, answering all those questions, qualifying the people coming in for the product or service, then going on to booking them on a call. And then the rest is handled by the remote closer who'll go on to close that sale. And that's where you'll take a commission of the total cost of the product or service on offer, meaning that when sales happen, you earn a percentage. And that's how beginners, the boys that I just showed you, can start making money so quickly from this. Just so you know the opportunity that's there, that this actually works, check out my boy Sarim here, $800 inside his first week. Miller made $1,500 as an appointment setter inside his first month. Rike, a plumbing apprentice, completely replaced his income of $1,000 a week inside just 2 weeks. Freddie, another tradie like myself, made $1,800 in 2 days with appointment setting. Now, although it seems like it from the outside, these aren't some crazy overnight success stories. These are just normal people learning and leveraging a skill that people who are already successful need. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's not as easy as just landing a role when you start making money. So I'm gonna show you a 4-step framework all these boys follow, that if you follow correctly, give you the opportunity, it's not guaranteed, but give you the chance to see the same results in the same time frame. Step number 1 is knowledge. First, you need to understand how online sales works, how appointment setting works. You understand how these businesses bring in leads with marketing, how you can turn those leads into paying customers by booking them onto a call, and the skills behind it all to run a normal conversation through the DMs, following a framework that can lead to these successful book calls. Step 2 is practicing this skill. You've got the knowledge there, so now it's time to practice it with things that we call role plays. Using other people, your mum, AI, people in a community learning the same skills as prospects, pretending to be interested in a product or service, and you go through your setting framework once you build that knowledge. knowledge. Qualifying people, building urgency, practicing the pitch of the call so that you can get more bookings, handling different objections that you'll face, just learning how conversations work and flow. Step 3 from there is certification. Businesses want proof that you understand the process. Doesn't matter if you don't have experience, but you've got to have the knowledge there. You've got to have practiced it so that you can prove your skills. Something that we do inside the community to show that you're trained is once you go through this process, this exact process that I'm outlaying, you get the knowledge in, you go through video modules, you start practicing, getting feedback, getting better, you'll then get certified by the academy and you can use that as a form of proof. Worst case, you don't have access to something like this. If you follow the knowledge and practice steps correctly, you can use your skills as proof. If you're applying for a role, you can role play with the business owner, show them the skills that you've developed. This builds trust when approaching a business and gives you the edge over everyone else. And step number 4 from there is just implementation. Implementing everything you've learned, the practice, the knowledge that you've built, leading to you being able to reach out for these businesses, know where to look for them, provide value, how you're solving a problem for these people, because that's all sales is. And then landing that role and managing their DMs, answering people, booking calls, nurturing those calls till they're over the line. And that's where the commissions start. Now I want to give you the $1,000 breakdown. With appointment setting, a lot of it is commission based. You book 2 calls that close, the setter takes 5% commissions, meaning $500 for that sale. So yeah, you can probably see how doable this is. You're just learning a skill that businesses need and applying that skill. And that's all there really is to it. Might be wondering, well, why don't more people do this? If it was that easy, why doesn't everyone do it? To be honest, not many people actually know about this. It's very untapped. They want the easiest way, the quickest way. And although this is very doable, this does take work. You've got to take time to build this skill. Come into it with the mindset that I'm learning a skill. And then when the time comes, apply that skill. And this is the exact process that boys like Michael, Sarim, Miller, Joel, Freddie, and Enrique all made upwards of $1,000 within 14 days. Now what I'm going to link down below is a full free guide on high ticket sales, appointment setting, how to get started following this 4-step framework so that you can start today. If we have a quick look here through this video, the early stages is all focused on knowledge. What is appointment setting? What is high ticket sales? Further through the video, it develops into the skill, the practice, how to learn it, where to practice with people, how to get feedback, leading into certification and then implementing to land that role. I'll leave that link down below. That will be everything that you need so that you can start today. Now, if you want to be a part of the same community that trained me, that trained all these boys to help them get real results, to help speed up the process for you so you're not wasting time looking through random videos, I'll leave a link down below to book a one-on-one call. Any questions at all, I'll leave my Instagram down below too. You can reach me there or just leave a comment. If I had to start again from scratch, this is exactly what I do, the exact process that I would follow. It might not be 14 days, it might not be 30, but with time, with reps, with consistency, this is what's possible. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.